Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.8. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then go to fabricmc.net, press on download, and then download for Windows. Save it to your computer, then go and press on API, Fabric API, then press on download, and then select 1.21.8 and download the file. Wait for a couple of seconds and then save it to your desktop. Then what you need to do here is to go to modred.com and then select mods, discover content, mods, and then you need to download Sodium. Go to versions here, game version 1.21.8, and then you just need to go to and download Fabric 1, right? Then what you need to do here, go back here, go to Iris shaders, also go to versions, game version 1.21.8, select Fabric as well, download it to your computer. Then what you need to do here is to go to a shaders and then download the shader that you want. In my case, it will be this one here. Select version here and then make sure the game version is, as you can see here, currently there is none. For you, it should be 1.21.8, but currently this only version here, so I will leave it with, I will be with this, okay? So I will download this as well. Then what you need to do here, when you have all the files here, then you just need to go to press for on Fabric installer. Then you need to wait for a couple of seconds, make sure Minecraft version is 1.21.8, just disable with Minecraft and then install. If for some reason this do not work, as you can see here, my Minecraft is on, and then it should work, right? If it's not working, that's it's because you don't have Java 21. Just write Java 21 on Google and download it, right? Once you have it, installed your Minecraft, open up Minecraft launcher. Then what you need to do here is to go to Minecraft Java installations here, look for Fabric Loader 1.21.8, open file installation folder, mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, just create one. And then what you need to do here is to drag and drop Sodium and Iris Fabric here, as well as a Fabric API. Fabric API, Sodium Fabric, and Iris Fabric, right? Then what you need to do here is to launch your game on Fabric Loader 1.21.8. And once you're in the world, then you need to go to press escape, options, video settings, shader pack. And then as you can see here, currently this one is running, but you just need to open shader pack folder here. And then you need to drag and drop folder that mod that we selected. In this case, it will be complementary, this one. Then what you need to do here is to go back in game and select this one and then make sure to apply. So complementary shaders now is on. If I go back here, as you can see here, yeah, it's working. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.